everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone relying on Zebra's robust industrial label printers. The TechSwamp Zebra Power Adapter Board 41111 99 RevB. This isn't just any circuit board. It's the heart of your Zebra 110 Xi3 and 110 Xi III Plus label printer, responsible for delivering the consistent power needed to keep your operations running smoothly. For those familiar with industrial printing, you know that downtime is costly. When your Zebra 110 Xi3 series printer starts acting up, often the culprit can be a failing power adapter board. This specific board, part number 41111 99, is designed as a direct replacement, ensuring perfect compatibility with your existing setup. It's engineered to bring your printer back to life, restoring its full functionality without the need for an expensive full printer replacement. TechSwamp, the brand behind this particular board, has established itself as a reliable provider of compatible parts. Their version of the 41111 99 RevB board is manufactured to meet the demanding specifications required by Zebra's high-performance printers. The board itself, often seen in its distinctive green color, is an internal component, meticulously designed to fit seamlessly within the printer's chassis. It's not about external aesthetics, but about internal, unwavering performance. The Zebra 110 Xi3 and 110 Xi III Plus models are workhorses in various industries, known for their thermal printing technology and ability to handle high-volume label production. The power adapter board is fundamental to every print job, from initial boot-up to the final label dispensed. A stable power supply is paramount for the precision and speed these printers are known for, and a faulty board can lead to erratic behavior, print quality issues, or even complete system failure. Replacing a power adapter board might seem daunting, but for those with a bit of technical know-how, it's a straightforward process that can save significant time and money. This TechSwamp board offers a cost-effective solution to extend the lifespan of your valuable Zebra printer, ensuring it continues to perform at its peak. It's an essential investment for maintaining the efficiency and reliability of your label printing operations. So, if your 110 Xi3 series printer is showing signs of power-related issues, considering a replacement with this TechSwamp 41111 99 board could be the smartest move you make to get back to flawless printing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.